everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw Major League Baseball superstar and youngster Ronald Acuña Jr. of the Atlanta Braves. Now, Ronald Acuña is a Venezuelan player, made his debut in 2018, and at the time was the youngest player. He was the National League Rookie of the Year, named an All-Star, later won the National League Stolen Bases, and was a Silver Slugger. So let's do Ronald Acuña from Venezuela. We've had a few requests for this player, so let's do it right now. Get your black markers. We're going to use the pointed tip. And here we go. Let's find the center of your page. Center of your page, and we'll do Ronald's head in this area and the body down here. Okay. So we'll start out with the brim of the hat. We're going to do an arch, a short, small arch, like so, and that's the hat. We'll go up, over, curve, and down. Alrighty. And now we'll do the face shape. We'll go down, kind of out to a chin, kind of out and up to the hat. Alrighty. And a couple of ears. Okay. I'm going to switch my black marker. That one looks like it's running out a little bit of black ink. So let's try this guy. We're going to do some big circle eyes right here for our cartoon style. 1 and 2. Inside those eyes, draw another circle. Do another little circle. And these will be the highlights. Do an arch. We can color these in really quick to show you. Wow, this one's running out too. Oh my goodness. Let's get another one. Sometimes that happens when you draw a lot. Your markers start running out and you need to go buy another set. So here we go. Good thing we have more on hand there. Okay, we're coloring in this area black, and we're going to leave these little circles highlighted. And I'm going to grab a light blue marker just for fun, this baby blue, and I'm going to color in a little reflection. This kind of represents the reflection of the stadium lights on Ronald's eyes. Alrighty, and we'll do a couple of eyebrows, arch, and then connect it with another arch. You can color those in if you want. Okay, we'll do the nose here. We'll do a couple of these black kind of arches, and we'll do some lips here now. Up, down, down. So it's kind of this bird shape. Go up to the point and down. And now this bottom lip is going to be down, rounded, connect. I'll do a little mouth open right there. Okay. And Acuña has this little goatee that he's sporting, that he's growing right here. We're gonna scribble that in. We'll come back and do it a little bit better, but you can block that in a little bit. Kind of points up to his lip. Okay. And that should be, we'll do a neck rounded. Alrighty, and we're gonna do, he always wears this chain, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab my yellow marker here. I'm gonna do a little chain. Basically what I do is I do an oval and a little square to make the chain. oval, square, oval, square, oval, square. And we're going to connect that, do a square, 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 square. Just showing you what I'm doing here, square. Kind of make that chain. All right, put that yellow marker away for now. Going back to our black marker, we're going to do shoulders, shoulders. Bring that down. Bring it down to the waist. Up. There we go. We're going to do a big baseball over here. So an oversized baseball, because we have fun drawing these cartoon style athletes. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll do a thumb right there. He's kind of holding that baseball weird, I bet. Kind of like a basketball. Let's do an elbow going into that baseball. And we'll do another elbow. Holding onto a baseball bat, like we've done with some other players. That baseball bat's coming down and up. Slowly go into that handle. There we go. Acuña's got a belt. He's got some kind of short, baggy pants. So I'm gonna make him a little bit wider. These pants that kind of shoot out. Some long, skinny socks. Let's do the shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. There's the tongue. 1, 2, and it's hidden behind the bat. Big clown cleats. Come straight across and up to the ankle. Down from the ankle. Let's go straight across behind that bat. There we go. Okay, we've got the outline of our Acuña drawing right now. We are going to color the baseball seams. We'll give him some sleeves that are blue. We'll do the white Braves jersey, the white pants. We'll do some yellow shoes. That'd be kind of cool. Yellow batting gloves and the A. So we're going to fast forward now. If you need to pause, this is more of a intermediate advanced drawing going on here with Ronald Acuña. We appreciate you guys drawing with us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Please subscribe and let us know who you'd like to see next. Fast forward.